Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see exercise 5D. Complete. 3 to 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12. 6 divided by 2. 3. 12 divided by 3. 4. Give all the possible multiplication and division facts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 3 into 8 is equal to 24 and 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Okay. Next B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots are there. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines, 5 rounds. Okay. 5 into 5, 25. And another method same, 5 into 5, 25 only. So division is 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. There's only 2 possibles are there. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. If 4 into 3 is equal to 12, then 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Understood? 1 already they gave. Next B. If 4 into 5 is equal to 20, then 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. If 8 into 4 is equal to 32, then 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4, as 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 27 divided by 3 equal to 9, as 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6, as 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Understood? Next, use each multiplication sentences to write 2 division facts. One already given. In the same way you have to do. Okay. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Division facts, we have to write division facts. 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Understood? 24, 3 into 8 is equal to 24. So 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Next, 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6. 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. Understood? Next, how many division facts can you make with this? Write the division facts. So from here we can get only one division facts. So 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. Okay. Next, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So division fact is 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Next, 8 into 8 is equal to 64. The division fact is 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. The division fact is 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. Use multiplication to find division facts. So we have to use multiplication. So 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So 7 3s are or 3 7s are 21. So in the same way you have to do 42 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. Okay. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. We have to get 40, right? So 8 5s are 40. Answer is 5. The same way 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. So 9 5s are 45. 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. 9 4s are 36. 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. 9 6 are 54. Understood? Tomorrow we will see exercise 5E. Thank you.